From Memphis to Mississippi today, there's a new urgency for those on the fence to roll up their sleeves and get vaccinated as the highly contagious Delta variant keeps spreading. And while the recent uptick in cases and hospitalizations aren't as high as the pandemic's previous peaks, not even close, they are still causing concern because so many people aren't protected with the vaccine. More now from Local 24 News reporter Brad Broders.
We're seeing a pretty alarming increase in the number of cases, hospitalizations, and outbreaks across the state.
That's why Friday afternoon, Mississippi State Health Officer Dr. Thomas Dobbs recommended those 65 or older or with a serious underlying condition avoid indoor mass gatherings for a few weeks, even if they're vaccinated.
And you may ask, why are we doing that? Well, we have a lot of COVID circulating again, unfortunately, and it's pretty much all Delta. We know it's very contagious. It may have an increased mortality effect as well.
As is the case in Mississippi, in Shelby County, the Delta variant is quickly on pace to become the dominant strain of new COVID cases.
With each variant of the coronavirus, the virus has become more easy to spread.
Friday's 142 new reported COVID cases are the highest one-day total since May 20th. The 7-day average also surged nearly 200% the past 2 weeks. The Shelby County Health Department now reports 87 confirmed cases of the Delta variant, with at least 29 other suspected cases. About 1 in 10 of those Delta cases were vaccinated people, including 2 people hospitalized.
I think the recent trends tell us basically that we have a long way to go still in this marathon against COVID.
In the Baptist system, Dr. Stephen Threlkeld said their COVID hospitalizations tripled in the past week. While that's far below the previous peak, he said things are still heading in the wrong direction, even for those protected.
Because of the increase in cases again, we've now seen probably more people admitted to the hospital fully vaccinated than we have seen. I would say we've seen more in the last week or two than we've seen collectively in weeks before that.
Shelby County is currently at just 56% of its overall population goal for vaccinations. Brad Broders, Local 24 News.